Tip it in, you gronk. What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire. Good night, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back. Today we're doing, or this evening we're doing, is we're actually testing the coilovers for the back of these. So yeah, I'm just out of the track and we're pretty much gonna go for a send, see how they go, but these ones are already better and looking super promising. So this setup is the true, just the coilover on its own setup. So we pretty much only track use. So this is kind of what it looks like. We'll get the wheel off anyway. I got too carried away again. Gonna give her a polish. Tire's hot. That's a rental car. So that's the setup, guys. There. Underneath. That's your little adjuster now. Tip it in, you gronk.
This is not going in the video.
You say that to the people?
This is not going in the video.
This is why you don't see the cool
Why?
stuff.
If you're telling them, they're not going to see it. That means they're gonna see it.
This is why we don't see it.
Because we wouldn't say it for them not to see it.
I'm not going to see this.
This is why we don't see it.
Sweet, so now that we're done testing those coilovers, I am actually, finally they're coming. So basically, middle of August, the container should be coming. So just want to let you know, there is 2 types of BA, BF, FG sedan coilovers coming. So we've got, so this drift type 1 in this video is the drift type 1. So it's not technically illegal for the road. So we won't be selling as a road legal one. There will be a road legal option coming, which is just like where the factory spring goes with just the perch, and obviously the shock itself will be adjustable as well, just so you can control your droop. So that is coming as well. There's still a hold up on the springs for them. However, personally, I would have no problem running this setup in a daily car because it works quite well. So that's coming, middle of August should be coming. So hang for that. It works really well. For those people wondering, I was actually running, so in this BA that I was using, so it's a V8, it's a 5.4 litre single cam, 5-speed manual, and whatever diff gears it had, I'm not too sure, it wasn't my car. So thank you, Kieran, for lending us the car. And it's obviously got our full buck wild kit in it. It's got HSD coilovers, obviously front and rear now, so it actually works sick. It's running actually, I think it was 16 kilos in the front, and I put in 14 kilos in the back of it. So because of where it is, these 14 kilos, it actually worked really well. The car had a ton of camber still, so very slippery, you know, with the V8, but nonetheless working well. If anything, I'll probably advise people to go a little bit stiffer if they want and run like a 16 kilo in the back and like a 20 kilo in the front. And because the BA is quite heavy, so over the fair lane, or even the fair lane, I reckon it's heavier than the fair lane, but over an AU, a lot heavier BA series. So that is what you want to do for that. You guys let me know kind of what you want to obviously get. We can do that. So it's coming. I'm really happy with it. It felt good. The first time I did the testing, which was I think about a year ago, maybe just under, they were that was the cheaper version of the HSD. Still HSD, but their cheaper version. They did not work well at all. So HSD is not going to use those for the B series in the back at all. So that's gone. So sweet as. Thank you guys. You're probably seeing the Zoku car in the background. It's coming back. We've just been pumped with work. So we're doing the HSD coilovers, all the stuff. It's been flat out. So I thought I'd give you a little show. We've bought materials to make guards. So we're actually, these are 15 by 10 neg 45 wheels with conversion spaces, and we're actually going to put more spaces onto them. So here's a little snippet of it. This is what we're looking. I'll run down the back here. We've pumped the guard as pumped as you can possibly pump. So that is, yeah, that's quite tight. But we're going to build big arches for it. So full Japanese spec is what we're doing with this car. So if you're like Australian, you're thinking, what the heck are you people doing? Just something fresh to the eyeballs. Like everyone that comes down, we've actually had a few old people looking at it. It was pretty funny. You could literally see their brain explode. So anyway, that's it for this week. We should be hopefully back next week with more Zoku build stuff. We've also, obviously we've got I don't know how much we'll get done because there's so much to do. Basically in 1 month, we've got to be at round 3 in Coffs Harbour in the drift car, and I need to take like 3 engines out and put 2 engines in. So I think we're going to do that instead. Not quite sure at this very point in time, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy the channel. If you're new to the channel, this will be coming back, and it's things I've been doing in the background. It's finally kind of, all the COVID stuff has made it really difficult and painful with shipping and all that stuff. So obviously we're sourcing stuff from around the world, so all that's just been painful, but it's coming together. So thank you guys, we'll catch you soon. Peace out.